So what are we going to do today with common salt and water? So I am going to show you that common salt is going to dissolve in water. That means it is soluble in water. And I'll tell you with that two reasons why it is soluble and how it is soluble. So I have put common salt in water, and what I can observe is the common salt has dissolved. Now, why it is soluble in water? Why anything basically dissolves in water and the water level is also not increasing. Now the reason behind is because the water molecule being a liquid has space. The water molecules have space between them because it is a liquid. Now when we put common salt or when we put sugar in it, these sugar molecules or common salt molecules, they occupy the space between the molecules of water. So basically they occupy the intermolecular space, and so it gets into it, thus it gets dissolved. Now, why we say that some substances are soluble and some are not? So, why common salt is soluble in water? Now, for this, I would like to tell you the reason, because sodium chloride is basically bonded in an ionic bond. Now, what is ionic bond? Ionic bond means sodium, being a metal, loses one electron, and chloride atom, which is basically gaining one electron, being a non-metal. So basically there is a giving and taking of electrons, and so it is called ionic bond. So when we put common salt in water, what happens? The common salt reacts, basically not react, it mixes with the water, and the sodium particle takes the oxygen of the water, whereas the chloride particle takes the hydrogen of water, and thus the dissolution process ends. So these are the two reasons why it easily gets dissolved in water.